I think in general, our business is going up, and thanks to the tire industry's business is going up, especially I think China. As you know, probably a lot of Chinese tire company, Indian tire companies are really emphasized in their investment. They are building new factories, greenfield factories outside of China, and I think Indian tire companies too. So we are actually enjoying that part of growth. But other than that, we believe ARP is about time to have a big jump in growth, because for the last 10 to 15 years, we work really hard on our quality, on our technology, new technology. We have a lot of new technology offered in the industry. So we have been recognized by many tire companies more. Before we were recognized by the top tier, first tier tire company. Now, starting last 2 years, we have been recognized by the second tier tire companies in the world. For example, China, number 10 company in China, in the world is Chinese tire company. So we have this kind of, and also like a Hankook, they didn't buy our machine before, but now they're moving into this direction, having more business with us. So we really enjoying, this kind of a movement, and I think in curing press is such a business that you need time to prove to customer. Well, you make good machine. You make not only one good machine, you make hundreds good machines. Okay, you make a good machine, 100 good machines, but you also have good service. So all this is why ARP, at the end of the day, the final performance matters everything. And so over the last 10, 15 years, I think we already achieved that. That's why now we see this year our production will hit high in our record. Okay, and we expect next year will be still good, a strong year. Well, for us, we always doing export market. We seldom sell to Chinese tire company. So really we manufacture in China, but our market, 90% of the market is outside of China. Okay, so and still today, almost a similar situation. So the one Chinese tire companies we sell to, they are using our product for overseas, not so much local Chinese factory. This is the way we still having the international, overseas market. One of the reasons is we believe the business, at the time we believe we need to get closer to all our customers. It's not so good to, have remote for service, for communications, in engineering, not the best. So we want to move closer to our customers. And nowadays, tire companies, they want to move away from their engineering work for machines. They want to concentrate their own tire engineering, like tire designing, compounding, all this. Make sure they make a good, tires. Make sure they can sell their tires. They want to worry less on machines. So we see this trend. We see this opportunity. We need to fill up this gap. That's the reason we started looking for outside China's factory. Okay, for curing press, I think a couple of things we have done. Probably, I guess it's a big change for the industry. Is we invent our technology for curing. So we're using electricity as energy to cure a tire. Well, conventionally, people using steam. Okay, yeah. So we now have this new technology. Second new technology is many people, in the market using hydraulic to drive the curing press. But we have invested a lot of money in electrical driven press. which means every movement will be electrical. So this is a new area. For this new technology, we still investing in, but sooner or later will become available for the market. One is energy saving. So not only you replace cleaner energy. Okay, electricity is relatively cleaner than steam generator. Okay, in old times, steam is generated by coal, so carbon emission is very high. Electricity you can using using windmill. All this water hydro. All this clean energy. So that's one. Two is by each tire's consumption for the energy using for curing, electricity consumption is lower than the steam consumption. So there are two big advantages. Using better for environment, cleaner energy, and also save energy. You would meet the value of electricity you use for curing tire is lower than the value of steam you use for curing a tire. From day one, when we started research and development this technology, we are thinking how to make our customers best value for them. Our technology, we can retrofit on all their machines. So their old machines can be replaced by our new technology. So imagine the market, how big the market. There are hundreds, thousands of curing presses in the market. We need to retrofit for those presses. This is you are asking all the spot on question. This is within our new strategy. We have introduced new global service strategy. This global service strategy basically means all our service hub will be close to tire factories, to end users. Now, the reason starting from this our new electrical cure technology, because we need to do so many retrofit in all the factories. So we have to be very close to those tire factories. Therefore, now we are really working on this direction. So we needed to set up all the service hub close to where tire factories are. So in theory, our final aim is we probably will have one service center or one service hub to every 2 or 3 tire factories. First, we really believe we always concentrate on what we are doing. Okay, concentrate on our strategy. We do not know so much about our competitors' strength. I know definitely, we need to learn a lot from our competitors. But one thing I know is no one in the competition, no any other curing press manufacturer has as many engineers as ARP. We have almost about 60 engineers in R&D and technical. I do not know anyone else in the world in our competition who has so many engineering staff. So let's give you some answer. ARP is really focused on technology driven. So we are in this direction and strategy. Then we keep, every year we increase our engineering investment. Okay, this is exact one of the new technology we are developing. We develop a machine that can do automatic mode change. So from the moment this machine goes to mode storage, pick up by the code, okay, of course, pick up the tires, pick up a mode and then transport to the press which it needs to change in a new mode. And all this process is automatic by AGV by AI technologies. No one, no operator is handling this. This is new technology. We are now working with one particular customer to verify our technology. So we needed to try, obvious. We have the design already, but we need to work on a tire plant first.
That's what it is.
I know, because for years, tire companies asking for this kind of technology. This not only save the time, for mold change time, but also save energy. Because if you have quick mold change, that means the press sits there idle for less time, and it reserve all the energies. A lot of good point about this. That's why for years, tire companies were looking for this kind of technology, and it took us for quite a few years now come up with this design. Okay, yes, we do. Okay, and this is again, we only started energy saving, clean energy. This definitely is the direction, and I believe in the next 5 to 10 years time, we will still continue investing in this area, and that also includes reduce like footprint of each curing press. That's also energy saving, right? You use less space of construction, all this, and also another thing is environment. After curing, the fume coming out from tire, it's kind of it's smelling and people don't like it. So we're working on that, how to really take what do you call it, subtract the fume. That's tough, very tough technology, but we have investing in this technology for a few years already, and we believe in the next 2 years, or maybe even this year, will some prototype version coming out. So all this will make the big difference for curing shop.